Hello everyone, this is Shanu Bhatia from Gossip Panda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic how do I use Google Text to Speech. So let's start with the first topic. What is Google Text to Speech? Generally, text to speech is a tool used to convert your text on the screen to audio. Google Text to Speech is an application by Google to read the text aloud on the screen to the users with many different languages. Besides this, you can send SMS, enter text, emails with user dictation. Speech can help blind people by user audio can operate the things to do on the phone. As you speak, Google will activate the talk to text feature to convert speech to text. There are several ways by which text can be converted into audio. Few of them are: first one is Google Translate. We come across the words or sentences in different languages which we need to understand in our language. As there are many applications to install from Google Play Store for free, but we can simply open Google Translate feature. We can enter the text that we want to translate and listen to the speech in our language. We can just translate the text in about 5,000 words in a few seconds and listen to the text in many different languages. Steps required are: first, open the Chrome and sign in. Second, in the left text box, enter the text and change the language. Third, go to the right text box, set the language in which you want to translate. Next is Android's text to speech. There are many adjustable settings in the Android feature. Many accessibility tools in Android makes user easier while operating. One is the native text to speech feature. In this, you can easily adjust the voice output pitch and can allow the user to install languages of their own choice. Next in the list is Text to Speech app. Text to Speech app is one of the best features with many comfortable settings that users can select the language and install the additional languages. The main feature is you can listen to the messages and web pages without any pasting the URLs. Next in the list is with Narrative's Voice. The Narrator's Voice app can read the text from various apps, messages to share, web pages, copies content with many additional features. Narrator's Voice app offers many languages with voice output and with many technical features like Alexa and Siri. Next is TTS Reader. TTS or Voice Aloud Reader app has a flexible operation and enhances many ways to set our voice pitch and gender. Voice Aloud Reader allows other apps which the user wants to read using the native menu option. Next is with TalkFree. TalkFree apps have a more approach than voice reading and narrator's voice. We can directly send the web pages from the browser of your phone and read all the third-party applications. Conclusion. In the conclusion, I would like to say that there are many flexible ways you can use these features. In the Android phone, we can directly enable the native text-to-speech without any installation. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share it, and don't forget to write your valuable comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone.